So I'm with Mr. Jain Mehta, who's the MD of Amul, and finally मैं इनके साथ खड़ा हूँ यहाँ पे and इनके products के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. And मेरे को थोड़े से question है जो मैं सर से पूछना चाहता हूँ. The first one being, आपको सर ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया कि इंडिया में हाई प्रोटीन प्रोडक्ट्स लेके आने?
देखिए, अमूल का काम ही दूध का है और अगर हम 300 लाख लीटर दूध रोज हैंडल करते हैं तो आपको 3% प्रोटीन तो बाय डिफॉल्ट मिल ही है.
करेक्ट.
बट जैसे ही लोग स्पेशलाइज न्यूट्रिशन की बात करते हैं, मैक्रोस की बात करते हैं, तो प्रोटीन का इंपॉर्टेंस अपने डाइट में बढ़ते जा रहा है. और ये जागृति हमको इंडिया को लानी है कि हम सबको जितना हमारा बॉडी का वेट है उतने ग्राम प्रोटीन यू नीड. Good quality protein, and that's where Amul thought we'll step in with a range of very good high quality products of protein made with pure Amul ingredients.
Cool. That's what we love about Amul. The second question that I have for you, sir, is India के लिए Amul का क्या plans है in regards with the protein products, in regards with the health of India, और क्या plans ला रहे हैं हमारे?
आज बड़ी खुशी हुई बताते हैं ये हमने सबसे एक हाई प्रोटीन मिल्क जो सुपर मिल्क कहा जा सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
250 ml मिल्क में आपको 35 ग्राम प्रोटीन आज लॉन्च कर रहे हैं ताकि लोगों को एक विश्वास रहे कि दूध जैसी बेसिक प्रोडक्ट्स में भी आपको बेस्ट क्वालिटी प्रोटीन मिल सकता है जो आपकी ऑलमोस्ट डेली रिक्वायरमेंट है उसको 50-60% फुलफिल कर पाए. Apart from that, as you see, we have a good portfolio of high protein products like high protein lassi, buttermilk, paneer is a recent launch which is doing well. The blueberry shake is doing very well. Whey protein concentrate, we have launched the chocolate flavored whey protein concentrate today. So we will be launching a high range of high quality protein products, basically trying to take care of everyday का जो मील का कंपोनेंट होता है. So protein should not be force fit into the diet.
Right.
It should be a part of the regular diet. So there will be high protein ice cream also, high protein curd and high protein yogurt, 2 high protein cookies, 2 the wider entire range of products, all made with a good quality Amul cheese and Amul protein whey.
Right. Can't wait for that. Yes, sir. Okay, एक चीज और है sir. My audience is crazy for Amul. Every time I post a video, the next day it goes out of stock. उसके लिए क्या करने वाले हैं?
I think this is the best way to understand what is the demand of the customers.
Right.
Fortunately, we have our own e-com site, which at times is unfortunately stock out.
Right.
But we are expanding the capacity, ramping up our requirements as per the market requirements, and creating a range of products to see that we are available. We have 86 branches across the country, so as many distribution centers we are going to open up very soon. We will be at least just a day away from your order. I would like to deliver on the same day. Nice. That's the overall vision. More importantly, this is a journey we want to take along with our customers.
Bilkul, right.
Because Amul is a brand which is connected with every single Indian.
Correct.
So it's not that a foreign taste we want to impose on the Indian consumers. We want to work with them closely, evolve the products based on the requirements of customers, learn from them. Resource is not a problem. Raw material is not a problem.
Right.
And nutrition in milk is what, if we are able to position it to the Indian consumers,
right,
we'll all stay happy, we'll all stay healthy, right. More importantly, fit.
Love that. And a last question, sir. What is one message for the youth that's watching you talk about this?
Youth of the country decides the future of the country.
Correct.
So if the fitness becomes an integral part of our youth, basically, which means eating right, getting the macros in the diet right, being cautious about what we are eating, right, then it makes a big change in the way we perceive health, we perceive fitness. So I'm sure, thanks to you, you have been creating a lot of awareness on the goodness of protein, goodness of food, and all those who have been following and watching you, and I'm including myself in that.
So
we all benefit out of the insights you give into it, and that makes all of us more fitter and healthier than before.
Sense. Love that. Lovely meeting you, sir.
God bless you so much.
Thank you so much.
Wish you happy flying.
Thank you so much.
And also happy guiding.
Thank you so much.